So what is tempo? So tempo is basically an assigned speed to a lift. So in your workout, you'll commonly see tempo written as 4 numbers. So an example here is a 3, 1, 2, 1. So what the 4 numbers mean is the first number is essentially the eccentric phase of the lift or the lowering. The second one is the bottom part of the lift, so how long are you going to hold at the bottom part of the lift. Third number is the concentric phase or the coming up part. And the fourth number is the time between each rep that you can use to reset. So basically what we have here is 3, 1, 2, 1. So what this means is, so for the first number, you're going to spend 3 seconds lowering in the lift. Then you're going to pause for 1 second at the bottom. Then you're going to take 2 seconds to come back up. Then you're going to have 1 second to reset between each lift. Now you might see tempo just written as 3 numbers sometimes as well. So that just means that reset number at the end won't be there. And that just, when you see that, just assume that you have a 1 second reset. Now we've got a couple other examples of tempo here as well. So below that first one, you can see here we have a 2-0-X1. So what that means is 2 seconds on the way down, no pause at the bottom, and X means just go through that part of the lift as fast as you can. Then on this one, we have a 1 second reset between each rep. Then we come down to the next one. So here we have a 2-0-2-0 tempo. So it means 2 seconds on the way down, no pause at the bottom, 2 seconds on the way up, and then no time between each rep at the top. So essentially it's a pulsing rep, so you're going to go straight into the next rep. You also might see written in your program as well is things like a 3 second eccentric plus a 1 second hold. So all that means, similar to up here, the eccentric just means how slow or how fast you're going to go on the way down. So in this case, you take 3 seconds on the way down. And then obviously the hold is just a pause at the bottom or either the top of the lift, depending on the type of lift that it is.
So let's have a look at a few examples. So you can see the tempo here is a 3-1-2-1. So 3 seconds on the way down, 1 second at the bottom, 2 seconds on the way up, then 1 second hold at the top there. Then the next one we have here is a 2-0-X1, so 2 seconds on the way down, no stop at the bottom, as fast as you can on the way up, then a 1 second reset at the top. Then the last one is a 2-0-2-0, so 2 seconds on the way down, no stop at the bottom, 2 seconds on the way up, then no stop at the top.